Hello everyone, my name is Tiffin and I study in class 12 at Bylakuppe. So in today's modern world, convenience and affordability is what all people want when it comes to single-use plastics. These single-use plastics is when being used, it cannot be reused again. And we cannot ignore the pressure of this plastic pollution causing. To tackle this problem, we have our project, the Project Tiffin. We are contributing our small step towards the environment, starting from our school, Bylakuppe. In Bylakuppe, there are more than 500 students, and specifically during the long tea breaks, and after the school our students go to the canteen and eat their favorite snacks in these single-use plastics. And approximately around 300 to 500 single-use plastics is being used every single day. Not a week, not a month, but a single day they use 500 single-use plastics. So to tackle this problem, we have our project, the Project Tiffin. Our Project Tiffin is very simple and yet effective. Our Project Tiffin is in line with National Education Policy 2020. It has a multifaceted and interdisciplinary approach on both science as well as social components. We have done a comparative analysis on the use of Tiffin as well as single-use plastics on the basis of life cycle analysis, global warming potential, and behavioral of science component. We launched this Project Tiffin on April 22nd on the World Earth Day with the approval of our school director and principal. We also gave a presentation on highlighting the harmful effects of plastics to our school fellow mates. Additionally, the school Secular and Emotional Learning Committee expressed interest in our project and provided financial support for 100 Tiffins and 3 beans. As you can see, this is the picture before the implementation of the Project Tiffin. Our students are eating the snacks in these unauthorized plastics. And these are the photos after the implementation of the Project Tiffin. Now, let's move much deeper into this project. Monthly CO2 emission reduction. According to Rana et al., the production of 1 kg of plastic bags typically results in approximately 2.5 kg of CO2 equivalent emission. So considering a 1 Tiffin, as a replacement of 1 lightweight plastic bags weighs around 1.30 gram. The single-use plastic which is being used in our school canteen weighs around 1.30 gram. And the total Tiffin, for the first month we only use 60 Tiffins for the first month, right? So the total Tiffin used in the first month of project, which is 30 days, is around 60 into 30, which is 1,800 Tiffin has been used. And the total mass of plastic bags saved is around 2,340 grams of plastic bags saved. Now the total CO2 equivalent emission saved or curbed in 1 month is around 5.85 kgs. Good? Okay. Now, CO2 emission from Tiffin production. So according to Wang et al. 2020, the carbon dioxide emission associated with producing 1 kg of stainless steel is around 4.5 kg of CO2. So each Tiffin, right? So each Tiffin is being each Tiffin used for the project is weighed around 117 grams. So this Tiffin weighs around 117 grams, and the carbon dioxide emission due to the production of 1 gram stainless steel is around 4.5 gram. Yeah. So the total carbon dioxide emission from the production of 100 Tiffin is around 52.65 kg. So the production of 100 Tiffin, total carbon dioxide emissions is around 52.65 kg. Let's move forward. So next, CO2 emission reduction, right? Carbon dioxide emission from 100 Tiffin production will be balanced in 9 months. For the upcoming 9 months, we're going to save up. We're going to save the 100 Tiffin production of the carbon dioxide emission. So the net CO2 emission reduction after the 9 months is 5.85 kg per month and 7 kg per year. In a year, we're going to save 7.2 kg. Now, when we launched the Project Tiffin, we were pretty much excited on how the students going to respond, what their thoughts, what their opinion on our project. So we put up a survey in which around 170 students participated in. So very good news is around more than 50% of the students welcome Tiffin. They were good to go with the Tiffin. Now in the situation male student packaging, 24 of the male students, they still prefer plastics instead of Tiffin. And surprisingly, 43% of the female students, they prefer neutral. They're okay whether they use plastics or whether they use Tiffin. And moving forward, what are the challenges that we face? Maintenance. Ensuring Tiffin boxes are clean and hygienic requires time and effort from students. Second one is the resistance from the canteen. Initially, canteen staffs were hesitant to adopt this new culture, the new practices due to the additional workload of the handling Tiffin. But somehow, we will manage to make it work. Now, this is the major problem that we're facing, which is the misplacement. Students occasionally losing or misplacing this Tiffin leads to a shortage and increase of plastic use. So our future directions. And if a project Tiffin proves successful with the students consistently using Tiffin, we are going to plan the use of Tiffin for the entire school day. Not particularly to the long T-Pex, but for the entire school day, right? Although, additionally we aim to spread awareness about plastic pollution and also our project Tiffin to other schools. We'll also conduct a bi-monthly survey to observe students' changing mindset on our project Tiffin. We launched our project Tiffin on April 22nd on the World Earth Day, and we are working very hard and we continue to do so. Our main focus is to change students' lifestyle, not only the lifestyle, but also our environment, and make our school a free plastic. Thank you.